Well, boys, you made it. Yesterday's tomorrow is now today. The struggles you overcame, the challenges you learned from, the circumstances you haven't experienced before, they brought you here. What's here, you ask? Here is another chapter of your Crescent journey that is coming to a close. Like any good book, every chapter serves a specific purpose to the development of a story. Some chapters are short, some chapters are long, some chapters digress from the storyline to provide further context, and some chapters may even shift from the perspective of the main character to a different character to teach you more about the role of other characters in a story, as well as how they interact with the protagonist. Now, my main point is that every chapter of a book is meant to be different from each other, and they work together to create one eventful story. Without any of these segments, you may have an incomplete whole, which is also why it's so important for each chapter to be different. Different. Needless to say, there's no better way to describe this year than different. The best part about the word different is that it's open to interpretation. Saying something is better is certainly inferring it's different, but saying something is different does not infer it's better. It could be better, it could be harder, it could be easier, it could be calmer, it could be crazier. But all this falls under the umbrella of different. This year, different may have taken various forms for you. Different could help us realize what we often take for granted, which is frankly what we need from time to time. For example, not having Bear Week. Instead of dwelling on its absence, this year could help you realize how much you cherish Bear Week in a typical year and make you look forward to it even more when it's restored. Different could also help us appreciate elements of school life that persist through even the most abnormal circumstances. For example, the brotherhood. The spirit life continuing to remain alive and well was one of the ways that the brotherhood persisted this year. So, yes, this chapter was wildly different, sure. But to reiterate, what that means and what purpose it serves towards crafting your whole Crescent story is entirely up to you. There's looking at the year as an opportunity to capitalize on lessons that you may not have otherwise learned and deeply reflect, as I've outlined with the aforementioned examples. There's also simply taking things at face value. I'll give you a friendly tip in saying that one's more beneficial than the other, but I'm not here to tell you how to think. As I conclude, I just want to applaud you all for your continuous hard work and efforts this year. Honestly, I'm a strong believer in always finding opportunities to try new things, and many of you absolutely did this year. For that, I give you my sincere kudos. It has also been highly refreshing to see so many different instances of sheer character and your perseverance at all times. It's really not easy having to flip flop from online to in person. While this constant rotation may have made you dizzy, you remain the course and push through to the end. Whether this is your final chapter or your introductory chapter, remember, this is just one chapter of your whole Crescent story. I am very proud of you all. So this summer, go ahead, get some Sundays, as well as have yourself some fun days. Thank you for a different year, folks.